ligtas and sana po gabay niyo po sa pag-uwi. Bilang mo po at init.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
We are
Glad to see you.
So, Miss Secretary, please check that attendance.
No, I don't like.
So, before we start our topic, let's recap the review about last topic. Last topic yesterday.
Ano po eh? Bibili lang dito.
Julina. Yung report ko, di ba? Report class. Sino ba yung organizational leadership. So, I have an activity which is the So the mechanics of the game is the pitcher will spin the wheel that has a name. Then when the spin wheel will stop on the name of the student, that the name is located and pick a number of the table. He, she will need to answer a question. So,
Go back.
so first is Josh.
La.
Nag-roll ako.
Teka lang. Kancharan.
So, itong ano na to is kasama ko sa topic.
Alam mo.
Question is the ability to work effectively with people and to build teamwork. Is the ability to work effectively with people and to build teamwork.
Identification ba yun?
Ang ano?
Opinion.
Collaboration.
Okay, sa topic ko. Sa topic ko
His ability to ano.
Ito yun yung si Mary.
Yes, leadership. Your prize.
Uy, ate yung sa akin. Ganun na. Aling ka ako. Ate. Ate kaya.
So next,
Bibilang nila.
Juana.
Kurin niya si Juana.
Wala na sabi.
Nicole.
Hi, ma'am.
Ay, dito ko na. Pick a number. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, leaders allow participation of the members of the organization by consulting them that make the decision.
Sino ba siya? Ikaw. Hindi na yung mabasa.
From the word consult.
Ilang slide ba yun sa'yo? 10. Kapahan mo pa yung guys ang explanation. Dalawang.
John Boy.
Yay!
Uy, yung payo ko, ma'am. Ha?
Pick a answer.
Yung kanina, leadership.
Ballpen. Wait lang. Pamahal.
So, now I next.
Saraan.
Mark
no?
pick a number 1, 4, 5.
6.
5
number. 5.
So,
Oh, free.
true or false?
Close.
True or false? Leadership is interchangeable with management because they mean the same.
No, ulit. It depends.
Leadership is interchangeable with management because they mean the same.
False.
Why?
Akala ko true or false yun.
Meron siya kasi ako.
Follow-up question,
Because
False because diba iba kasi ang pagkakaano ng leadership, diba? Sa leadership kasi kumbaga minomotivate mo yung mga kasama. While sa management lang is kumbaga nagdadirect ka lang ng mga gagawin nila.
Juba Chuchu.
For you, what is leadership? What is leadership?
Leadership,
parang siya yung parang siya yung pinaka-head. Halimbawa, dito sa school natin. May example ko si Sir Jeremy. Parang siya yung nag-lead dito sa
for you. For your team.
So, last, TV. So, ano mo may tawag ko? Alam mo topic ko?
It's all about leadership. Siya lang. Ano na yun? Types of skill to leadership style. Tama ba? Ako kasi yung sunod. Ano ba? Ano ba? Lang nga. Why? Loaded. Loaded eh. Loaded. Nila ka na tao.
So my topic is all about, our topic is all about types of skills demanded of leaders. So, use three board types of skills.
Ano mo? Leadership skills.
So the three types of skills, which is the technical, human, and conceptual skills. So first is technical. Who wants to read? And then
Technical skills refers to any type of process or technique like sending email, preparing a PowerPoint presentation.
so here is another shot. Any type of process. It is essential that the leader possess these skills because we live in technology-based world where everything is held through the help of technology. Especially ngayon, diba? Especially ngayon, dahil sa technology is naka-create ako nitong PowerPoint presentation ko. And some examples is the programming, the knowledge of programming, classroom management, databases, electronic, presentation, and mechanical equipment or goods. So next, the second is human skills. Just
Human skills
system will work effectively with people and with real teams. This is also referred to as people's skills or soft skills manual.
So here, ability to work effectively. A leader must have this particular skills to get along with his co-workers or colleagues. In order to have better and most healthy relationship with them, our school setting is probably one of the most demanding skills because in this professional, we have to deal with different types of people. They have a different characteristic and different attitude. And so pag sinabi sa human skills, dito na yung it presents the leader's ability to interact, work, or relate effectively with other people. Dito na pinapakita ng leader kung paano maging effectively sa ibang co-workers. So, they include communication, teamwork, empathy, conflict, resolution, and leadership. So last is the concept of skills. Taylor read Roman.
It is the ability to think in terms of models, frameworks, and God relationships, such as long-range plans. In short, conceptual skills deals with ideas, while human skills concern relationship with people and technical skills involve designing components and things. The idea didn't possess knowledge.
These skills, as a teacher or future educators, it is important that you have the ability to view the organization as a whole. Understand how the various parts are interdependent and assess how the organization relates to its external environment. In short, conceptual skills deal with ideas while human skills concern relationship with people and technical skills involve psychomotor skills and things. So basically, the ideal schools leader should possess all three basic skills. So next. So let's proceed to the leadership styles. They have four: the operative, consultative, democratic, and laissez-faire. So first is the autocratic leaders. Autocratic leaders do decision making by themselves. So leaders responsibilities are assigned as executives without consulting the employees. The leaders take full authority and assume all responsibility. Yan nga, sabi ng decision making by themselves. For example, in a group research, di ba? Pag sinabi ng leader na yun na yung topic mo, hindi mo na yung pwedeng mabago kasi autocratic leaders na siya. Ginagawa na yung autocratic leaders niya. So, next, the consultative leaders.
Ayun na, dyan rin. It's your time to shine.
Consultative leaders allow participation of the organization to consult them, but make the decision themselves. This is what happened in consultation meetings called by schools when they increase tuition fees. Sometimes education stakeholders will get disappointed that their suggestions are not carried after school leaders have consulted. Then they do not understand consultation does not necessarily mean approval of the stakeholders.
So, this is skills allow participation of the members of the organization decision by consulting them, but make the decision themselves. In this type of leadership, allow everyone to participate. The ideas are freely exchanged and discussion is encouraged, while this process emphasizes group equality and freedom of flow. So, example, in a project, your leader asks their suggestion, and everyone or every member is free to give what their suggestion. And he or she can give. Parang dito yung parang consult. Parang magbibigay kayo ng
ID.
Suggestion. So, next is democratic leadership.
Democratic leaders allow the members of the organization to fully participate in decision-making. Decisions are arrived at by way of consensus. This is genuine participation of the members of the organization, which is in keeping with school empowerment.
In this type of leadership, allow everyone to participate that ideas are freely exchanged, and democratic leader remains present to provide guidance and control. This must only coined as participated leadership. So that is the basis fair or free reign leadership style.
Ano biya? Ano ba? Yan. Ay, alien kala ko. Enlaces fair on free reign leadership style. Leaders avoid responsibility and leave the members of the organization to establish their own work. This leadership style lead to the kanya-kanya mentality. One weaknesses of the Filipinos characters, there will be no problem if the situation is still. Each member of the organization has reached a level of maturity, and so if members are left to themselves, they will do only what is good for the organization. On the other hand, it will be chaos. Chaos if even member will do as she please, even if it is against the common good.
So, the leadership style in which leaders make hands-off and address decision-making to group members that according to our studies, this is the leadership style that results in the lowest productive among group members. And example to this, each member of the organization has reached a level of maturity, and so if the members are left to themselves, they will do only what is good for the organization. On the other hand, it will be chaos if a member will do as he or she please, even if it is against the common good. So, gets all. So, so, what are the types of skills? What are the types of skills?
Pwedeng mayoy.
Yuan.
What are the types?
What are the types of
Of
skills?
skills.
Binasa mo kanina.
Isa lang.
Technical.
Technical. So,
Human skills.
Ellen.
Thank you po.
Sika lang. Sa Telma daw.
Adam.
Consultative.
Human skills. Ano yun?
Conceptual.
Human skills. Tama.
Class.
Bubugo human skills.
What are the 4 leadership styles?
Ano sa'yo?
Jan.
Aristocratic. Aristocratic.
Aristocratic, autocratic.
So, ano?
Turay Wikipedia yung bunod. Ano yun?
Democratic. And
Consultative.
consultative. And last,
Consultative.
yes, very good. So,